Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Moments.
This is day 4 of our English speaking challenge.
Today, we're going to learn some very useful English expressions for shopping.
That's right. You'll learn how to ask for different sizes, colors, prices, and how to pay politely.
These are sentences you can use anywhere, in a supermarket, a clothing shop, or even a local market.
Make sure to practice out loud with us. Let's get started.
First, let's learn how to ask for a size.
Do you have this in a small size? Do you have this in a medium size? Do you have this in a large size?
Good. Now, repeat after me, slowly.
Do you have this in a small size? Do you have this in a medium size? Do you have this in a large size?
Excellent. Sometimes you want to ask for another color. You can say, do you have this in black? Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in white?
Another polite option is this available in another color?
Yes, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Is this available in red? Is this available in green? Is this available in yellow?
Very good. Now let's practice asking about the price. How much is this? How much are these?
For example, you can say, how much is this shirt?
And the answer could be, it's $25.
Or, they are $2 each.
Now, if something is too expensive, you might say, that's too expensive.
Or politely, do you have something cheaper?
You can also say, can you give me a discount?
Great. Now let's practice how to buy something. You can say, I'll take this one. I'll take 2 of these, please. Could I try this on, please?
And when you are ready to pay, you can ask, can I pay by cash? Can I pay by card? Do you accept credit cards?
Excellent. Don't forget polite expressions. Before asking, you can say, excuse me.
And when you receive something, always say thank you.
The shop assistant might answer, you're welcome, or have a nice day.
These small phrases are very important for polite conversation.
Let's practice a mini role play together. I'll be the customer, and you be the shop assistant. Listen carefully. Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $20.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we do. Here you are.
Thank you. I'll take it.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Very nice. Let's repeat the same role play again, slowly this time.
Wonderful. Now let's try some short drills together. Repeat after us. How much is this? Do you have this in another size? I'll take 2 of these. Can I pay by card? Thank you very much.
Excellent job. By practicing these sentences again and again, you'll feel more confident when shopping in English.
Today we practiced many useful expressions for shopping, asking for sizes, asking for colors, asking about prices, buying, and paying.
Remember, the key to sounding natural is practice, practice, practice. Say these sentences out loud until they become automatic.
This is the end of day 4 of our English speaking challenge.
Don't forget to subscribe to Learn English Moments and join us again tomorrow for day 5.
Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.